4.5-inch Hercules angle grinder sold at Harbor Freight. Metal grind wheel comes with it. Bought a second one for $2.99. This one's the new one. This one is tested already. Here's your power button. Stay on mode or pulse mode or whatever. Has a guard, leave it on, safer. This is what we use in welding school. Here's the manual. Pretty durable side handle. Comes with the tool to remove the grind wheel. Match it up. And you take off the grind wheel by loosening those. And that's it. $38 with the rebate, instant rebate. Durable, reliable, inexpensive. And I do believe it's made in China. Yep. Made in China. But it's Harbor Freight's brand. And it works good. I haven't had any issues for 38 bucks. It's hard to beat for 38 bucks. Hercules 4.5-inch, 7 amp, small angle grinder. Harbor Freight. I recommend it. If you want the warranty, it's like an additional 10 or 11 bucks and it covers it for a year. But that's up to you. Standard plug. Go get one.